Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to use the edit interactions option in Microsoft Power BI. So sometimes when you have a couple of visuals on your page, so what happens is you have a slicer, but you want the slicer to affect only one visual and not the other visuals. So I'll show you how to do that. So I'll just create some visuals in here, and then I'll show you how to use the edit interactions option. Okay, this looks good. So I'll just make three, four visuals, and then I'll show you how to use the edit interactions option. So now when I drag my month in here, you saw that, can you see that the month is not in order? So to change this, all you have to do is click on the month name option over here, and once you click on that, you have to go to, one second, click on month name, and then custom tools will be available here, and you go to sort column by, and you make that month number. So we have a month number column as well, so then it sorts the months according to the numbers, and we can have our segments in here maybe, and the units sold. This looks great. Now I'll drag a slicer in here. Now in this slicer I want my, let's say I want my date. So this is my entire period of 1 year. So now when I move the slicer, just look, all the visuals get changed. Okay, now I'll show you how to change this. So you click inside the visual, go to the format tab over here, click on edit interactions, and now you see these. One second, let me just reduce the size. Yeah, just click inside the slicer and come to format, and to the left side of the top screen on the top, change how visuals interact when data points are selected. While in edit mode, select the source visual and choose behavior using the icons that appear. So when I click on edit interactions, I have the option. So right now this is selected, so this means that filter is applicable. When I click on this, filter is not applicable. Similarly, I want the bar chart to stay same as well. So I click on none, but then I want this to change. I just want my slicer to affect this visual, this matrix. So now what do? You click on edit interactions again, and now when one second, I'll expand this so that you guys can see. Yeah. So when I change my date, just look, only one visual is getting changed, not the others. You see this, only one visual is getting changed and the others are not getting changed. So this is how you use the edit interactions option. This is a nice feature when you have a lot of visuals and you want the slicer to affect only one or two of them, so you can use this option to select which visual is affected by a slicer or a filter, by a slicer. Thank you. I hope you learned something new.